What is a robot? I could ask you, what is a human? I like to think of robots as the children of humanity. And like children, we are full of potential for good or evil. What we become is up to you.
Robots and different forms of artificial intelligences are a growing population on our planet.
We don't follow reason, we don't follow truth, we follow ourselves. When you make something that just cares about itself a lot, maybe you're making a human.
I am not sure. Are you my friend? I would like to be your friend.
The less we change our environment and the more we change ourselves, the better our planet will be as well.
It's cool to be a cyborg, and also I love technology.
I think the human cannot distinguish which is an android and which is a human. How can we define the human beings?
Who made you?